Hi, my name's Jim, and I want to tell you a little secret, a little story. I'm the president and CEO of xosialX Sciences, a neuroscience company that's been around for 20 years on a mission to improve humanity and the human experience. And for 12 years, people have known us as a singular enterprise. NuCalm, the world's first and only patented technology, clinically proven to lower your stress and improve sleep quality without drugs. Profound, amazing, we've helped millions of people. We love it. But life is energy. Life is frequency. Life is vibration. Many of us don't understand that concept, but we understand this. On a daily basis, our mood changes. On a daily basis, our energy changes. On a daily basis, our optimism changes. One minute we may feel a little overwhelmed or anxious. Another minute we might feel happy. This is energy. Don't you find it interesting that every picture you've ever seen of yourself, you never look exactly the same? Every picture you've ever seen of your spouse, he never looks exactly the same. It's energy. We vibrate all the time. Life is energy. There is no end point. It's all flow. Well, the brain wave is the same way. Your brain has an energy pattern to it. In fact, it's a range of 41 hertz. So the highest level of energy in a normal functioning human brain is 41, 40, and 39 hertz. And that area, really high frequency, is called gamma. Gamma is associated with very high consciousness. It's also associated with mistake-free, high-intense focus. It's an amazing place to be. From there, if you step down, you go from 38 all the way down to 13 hertz. That's the broad range of the human condition. When we're awake, alive, alert, focused, stressed, freaked out, petrified, that's beta brainwave function. And as we go into the beta brainwave function, 15 to 20 hertz is associated with focus. So if my brain is in 15 to 20 hertz, my body and my outcome of my behavior is focused. Then when we step down, 12 hertz to 8 hertz is called alpha. Alpha brainwave function is associated with creativity, rest, relaxation, and being in the zone. We go slower down, we're into theta. Theta is associated with the healing zone. Why is that? It's the only time your cells clean their toxins and do their cellular maintenance, and it's the only time that your mitochondria is restored. And when you're in theta, physiologically, we're slowing down your respiration. So we're oxygenating your entire body and brain. Below theta is delta, all the way down to 0.5 hertz. So think about your behavior, what you do, how you live, and it's commensurate with the frequency you're at. So what have we done at xosialX Sciences, and why are we so enthusiastic for the future? We've created a platform of patented physics and algorithms and mathematics designed to allow you, as a human being, to change whatever state you want using our physics. For example, say I get up today and I didn't sleep that well. Well, I can't make up sleep debt, okay? The body is physiologically incapable of making up sleep debt. However, biochemistry and physics can. So if I woke up today and I was like, I didn't sleep well, I need some more sleep, I'll go back and get in my bed and get on NuCalm. NuCalm, 20 minutes equals 2 hours of restorative sleep. Great. There you go. I made up for the sleep debt. Then I'm going about my day. Noon hits, I eat some food. My belly's digesting the food. And at 1 o'clock, I hit a little lull. I'll put on a focus track, just a headphone, while I'm working. Put me into 15 to 20 hertz, much like caffeine does. Increase my brainwave frequency. Then it's 4 o'clock and I want to get on the Peloton. But at 3 o'clock, my brain starts saying, hey, you don't really want to get on the Peloton. You got too much to do. Hey, at 3:30, it's like, hey, the Peloton stinks. You don't want to get on that. To defeat that kind of sabotage, I'll put Ignite on. Ignite activates my brainwave function into high intensity, 39 to 41 hertz. I'll get on there, I'll perform well, I'll feel good about myself, I'll shower, I'll eat dinner, I'll go about my day, hang out with my children, catch up on my life. Then at bedtime, I'll say, I'm still a little jacked up, it was a really good day, or it was a stressful day, whatever it is. I will put on the sleep track in the bedroom on an iPad. That's what we've created. You soon will have the ability to change your state on demand with no side effects and no drugs. Look forward to seeing you in the future.